Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay, and friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU 1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called living a life of spiritual partnership. Living a life of spiritual partnership. Okay. So friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called instruction for householders. Okay, instruction for householders. And friends, this is 95th number video and the topic is instruction for householders. So let us see what Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can also email me. My email ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906@gmail.com. So I have my email account on Gmail. Okay, and I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJE1906@gmail.com. And friends, in our today's topic, I'm starting, that is instruction for householder, and it is 95 fifth number video. So let us see what Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, strict strict regulation of sexual life and a rigid practice of non-violence are necessary if you want to have progress in the spiritual path. So friends, here Swami Sivananda is telling that strict regulation of the sexual life and also the rigid practice of non-violence, means not killing any animal, is very necessary if we want to further proceed on the spiritual path and our spiritual journey, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. If you use contractive contraceptives, you will never learn the virtue of self-restraint. So here Swami Sivananda is telling, if we use contractive, we are not going to learn the virtue of self-restraint. He who use contractives is an immoral man. So here Swami Sivananda is telling, a person who use contractive is an immoral man. Learn the virtue of self-restraint. So here Swami Sivananda is telling that it is very important to learn the virtue of self-restraint. The use of contractive will sap your vitality. So here Swami Sivananda is telling, the use of contractivity is going to sap our vitality. There is an intimate connection between self-control and the control of the palate or tongue. So Swami Sivananda is telling, there is a intimate connection between the self-control and the control and the palate or the tongue, friends. Okay, so Swami Sivananda is telling, to further progress in the path of spirituality, it is very important that we can control our tongue, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. He who has controlled the tongue has already controlled all the other organs. So friends, this is a very big statement, friends. Here Swami Svananda is telling, he who has controlled the tongue has already controlled all other organs, friends. Okay, consistence is not harmful, it conserves energy. So Swami Svananda is telling, consistent it is not harmful and it conserves energy. It gives immense strength and peace. So here Swami Svananda is telling that practicing of brahmacharya and celibacy gives you immense strength and peace. Sexual indulgence leads to moral and spiritual bankruptcy. So Swami Svananda is telling that sexual indulgence lead to the moral and the spiritual bankruptcy. So spiritually we become bankrupt if we follow the sexual path. So and it is very important to progress in spiritual life if we are in the path of brahmacharya and celibacy, friends. Okay, so it is very important to follow the practice of celibacy and follow the practice of brahmacharya, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svananda is telling to us in this topic. Premature death and loss of faculties, talent, and capacity. So if we are in the sexual path, we are going to die premature early death, and we are also going to lose the faculty, talent, and the capacity within us, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Passion for the flesh or body is not pure or real love. So Swami Sivananda is telling passion for flesh or body, that is sexual relation, it is not pure or real love, friends. Okay, it is only moha or infatuation born of ignorance. So Swami Sivananda is telling that it is only moha, and it is the infatuation that is born of ignorance. You do wicked deeds and kill your soul on account of this passion. So Swami Sivananda is telling that you do wicked deeds and you kill your soul on the account of the passion, friends. Okay, kill this passion through the practice of purity or brahmacharya. So Swami Sivananda is telling that kill this practice by the practice of purity, that is brahmacharya, friends. Okay, you will enjoy everlasting peace of the immortal soul. So Swami Sivananda is telling that if you follow practice of brahmacharya and celibacy, you are going to enjoy the everlasting peace of the immoral soul, friends. Okay, so friends, in our topic, I have covered the concept called instruction for householders. Okay, and friends, in our next topic, I am going to cover the concept called, that is birth control. This topic, friends. Okay. So friends, this brings to end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.